When making cakes, do the center get baked or does it go in, or does it get overbaked? Then we will see about it. That's going to be the handy hints for tray sizes. Now to make the tray sizes, of course, you need the quantity of the cake. The quantity of the cake, if I make with 125 grams of quantity cake, that is 500 gram cake. That is 4 ingredients we need: flour, sugar, butter and eggs, all 125 grams, and it will be a 500 gram cake. For that 500 gram cake, we need a 6.5 inch square or a round tray to bake. Same way, if it's going to be 250 gram cake, that is all ingredients will be 250 grams, 4 ingredients which will be a kilo, that will be 8.5 inch square or a round tray that we need. Likewise, if it's going to be 1.5 kilo cake, it's going to be 10.5 inch square or a round. Likewise, if it's going to be a 2 kilo cake, now you know that we need a 12.5 inch cake tray. That means 2 inches we have increased for each of those. That's how you take the tray sizes. If you bake it in that same quantity and the same size tray, only your cake gets baked properly. When the cake is getting baked, it has to be 180 centigrades or 360 Fahrenheit. We have to bake for 45 minutes, roughly 45 minutes. After 40 minutes, if you want, you can open and check whether it has got baked or not. If you do it in the proper way, the sizes, then your cake doesn't sink or it doesn't get overbaked. The tray sizes are very important, and it has to be an electric oven. Remember, if it's a gas oven, it doesn't get baked properly. It has to be an electric oven. Even a table model, if you have an electric oven, it will be the best. You can bake like that and take it so that you can see how it comes. And the baking, roughly, you know, every 125 grams of flour, you have to take 1 teaspoon baking powder, or we say self-raising flour. When you say self-raising flour also, I am sure you know that is for every 125 grams of flour, if you take 1 teaspoon baking powder, it is like self-raising flour. This is how you have to do when making cake. You have to make a proper cake, means this is how you do it. And I am sure you will really enjoy making all the cakes that I have given you, from the butter cake, coffee cake, chocolate cake, orange cake, like that we have given all the cakes. Except the fruit cakes, all the other cakes which you are going to bake, those are called soft cakes. All soft cakes, you bake it in this quantity, proper tray, you will get a good results of the cake, and you will really enjoy the delicious